The digital age has ushered in new avenues for communication, commerce, and unfortunately, crime. Craigslist, a widely used online platform, has been instrumental in connecting buyers and sellers, but it has also been exploited by criminals who prey on unsuspecting victims. The disturbing phenomenon of Craigslist killers has left a trail of tragedy and horror, with some individuals displaying shocking callousness even in the face of a life sentence. This video delves into the chilling stories of 5 Craigslist killers who brazenly laughed in the courtroom upon hearing their life sentences. Number 1. In the spring of 2009, the world was both horrified and captivated by the emergence of the term Craigslist killer. This label was irrevocably associated with Philip Markoff, a former medical student whose charming facade concealed a dark and sinister nature. Markoff's disturbing crimes shook the foundation of online platforms like Craigslist, casting a shadow of mistrust over the digital age's potential for connecting people. As law enforcement unraveled the evidence against him, a picture emerged of a man who led a double life, luring unsuspecting women into his trap while continuing to present himself as an upstanding citizen. However, what truly sent shockwaves across the nation and the world was Markoff's behavior during his trial. As the guilty verdict resounded in the courtroom and the life sentence was pronounced, observers were met with a disconcerting sight: Markoff's reported smirk. This brazen display of indifference to the gravity of his actions left many in disbelief. Number 2. In 2011, the world was confronted with the shocking reality of how the digital age's potential for connection and communication could be perverted for sinister ends. The Craigslist job scam killer, Richard Beasley, orchestrated a series of events that not only exposed the vulnerability of those seeking employment. Beasley's audacious response to his life sentence during the trial added an unsettling layer to an already disturbing narrative. When the judge pronounced Beasley's life sentence, a response of solemn acceptance or remorse might have been anticipated. Instead, what occurred was a startling departure from societal expectations. Beasley, shockingly, burst into laughter, a reaction that defied comprehension and left those present in a state of disbelief. Number 3. The sinister underbelly of the internet was starkly illuminated in 2010 when Michael John Anderson's disturbing criminal journey unfolded. A tale that began with robbery escalated to a horrifying crescendo with murder, a progression that left the world grappling with the depths of human depravity. As the evidence against Anderson was presented in court, the chilling details of his crime emerged. However, it was during the moment when the life sentence was pronounced that Anderson's true nature seemed to be unmasked. His reaction was chillingly unexpected, a grin and a laugh that seemed to carry the weight of a macabre joke. Number 4. In 2013, the nation shook by a horrifying case that unveiled the depths of human depravity and the disturbing potential for darkness to infiltrate even the most intimate relationships. The chilling story of Miranda and a light barber, a newlywed couple who turned to Craigslist to find victims, left a trail of shock and disbelief in its wake. The couple's plan was simple in its horror. They would exploit the anonymity of Craigslist to draw in victims, luring them with the promise of companionship only to subject them to a gruesome fate. Their first victim was Troy LaFerrara, a man who innocently responded to their fake advertisement. After murdering LaFerrara, Miranda Barber reportedly remarked that it was a thrill, a statement that laid bare the twisted satisfaction they derived from taking another person's life. As the Barbers faced trial for their heinous crimes, the courtroom became a theater. The couple shared a twisted smile and a chilling chuckle, shattering the lives of their loved ones and sending shockwaves through the community. The courtroom, often regarded as a solemn arena of justice, witnessed a chilling display during Lavelle's trial. Throughout the proceedings, even after being found guilty of his heinous crimes, Lavelle was known to laugh. This disturbing reaction was not the result of humor or levity. Rather, it was a manifestation of his detached, cold-blooded psyche. The stories of these 5 Craigslist killers reveal a disturbing facet of humanity, where callousness and detachment intersect with the darkest corners of the human psyche. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, share this video with others who might find it thought-provoking, and make sure to subscribe for more gripping content.